Hi everyone, it's Jenny from Wood Library, and I'm here with my daughter Avery and my kitty cat Lucy. And we're here to introduce to you a series of videos called Avery Makes. And every week Avery's going to be making a fun and easy craft project for everyone that's all quarantined at the moment, just to keep things interesting and entertaining. So we hope that you check back on the Wood Library YouTube channel and just check out our videos, and hopefully you can make things right alongside Avery.
And make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications and leave a comment. Back to Avery Makes, and today I'm going to be making some soap for my neighbors since they're quarantined. So I already have 1.5 water in here. So then I'm going to add 1.5 of Castile soap. And I'm going to fill it up to the 3 cups. Right? I'm just going to keep going until it gets up to there. Alright, so now it's at that point, and now I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. And then after you do that, you're going to take your tea tree oil and you're going to do 45 drops of tea tree oil. And why you're doing 45 of them is because it kills all the germs off of your hands. So you're just going to go ahead and count.
We need 45.
45, I did it.
Oh, you did? Good.
Yeah. So then, after I did 45, now you want to add a little bit of lemon in, but it doesn't kill the germs, it's just for smelling good. And it could kill some germs, but, well, I don't know. It smells so good. And it goes well with the color, too. Alright, so that was about 30. For me, the lemon goes out really fast, so I couldn't really keep track. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my whisk, and I'm just going to mix it. After you've whisked your mixture together, you're going to very carefully pour them into their bowls. You might want to do it over the sink, but I'm not. I'm just going to whisk it. But I have a little sliver thing, so I can. And it might not look very appetizing. Like, it might not look like soap, but it actually is. And I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna cap it after. If they're uneven, then I'm just gonna pour some into. I'm just gonna pour some of this one into that one. So I'm just gonna go like this. You see what I mean? So that's even. See how I spilled some? That's why you might want to do it over the sink. So then I'm gonna place these little caps. I have not took off the wrapper, so then I can do that. Nice and fresh. So I'm just gonna screw the caps on. You want to leave a nice, really nice presentation. You might want to leave a little note. Say it was from you. You could just, well, I like to do pranks, or you could do a prank. So that now let's go over to the sink and test it. Now we're gonna test it. So I'm gonna take my soap here. Make the water warm up a little bit. Oops, that came out. So it turns into soap when, like, you'll feel the texture once it comes, like, you feel the stickiness, not sticky, but like, thanks for watching my soap tutorial. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and drop those off at my cousin's house and my friend's house. See you next time. Bye!